Top of the morning, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, I went to my bed early last night, about 11 o'clock, and I woke up just now, 7:30. And right now, I'm feeling fully energized and ready for anything that today has to offer. It's amazing what a good night's sleep can do for you. Yeah. So I'm just gonna do my meditation session, and then I'll go to the gym. Okay? Yeah. So that's the plan right now. Wow, it's 8:59 already. Call me Mr. Late because I'm always late. But it is what it is. About to go put in an hour or two at the gym right now. Soul sesh. Get the muscles big up. Today should be upper body day, but yesterday was supposed to be lower body day, but it was a mixture of a whole lot of workout. So maybe today is going to be the same where it's a mixture. And for this whole week, it's going to be full body. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm looking forward to the gym today. I'm heading to the gym. Yeah. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. Yeah, so just got back from the gym. Today was a nice day there. I really enjoyed today at the gym. Today was arm day mostly. Yeah, mostly arm day today. And I did some burnout curls. Did some curls burnout with the 35 pounds. Yeah, it was messing me up for real. I had to switch for the 20 pounds for the last 2 burnouts. I did 6 burnouts and I had to switch to the 20 pounds. But even though I had the 20 pounds, I could only do 20 curls. Still. Because my arms were already burned out with the 35s. Yeah. But I really enjoyed today's workout. It was really nice. Gym life, baby. Getting that work in from early. Then come home early, shower and chill. I'm looking at that mango tree right now. There's some lovely mangoes on it. I ordered some stuff off of Amazon. I should get them hopefully today or tomorrow. I normally get my things off of Amazon on Wednesday. Definitely Wednesday. And I order them and use the shipping company. But we'll see what happens. They emailed me yesterday and said I should look out for it this week, but they didn't give me a specific day, so we will see what happens. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna start up this car so that it can warm up right now. The Beamer. I drove the Benz today to the gym, so the Benz is good. So I'm gonna warm up the Beamer right now. Why is my screen purple? This is crazy. Right now I'm uploading a video right now. I'm not sure if you're gonna see it today. Today is Tuesday. And it's about the time that I went to a Rasta party. And that party was very nice. I really enjoyed that party. And I should have gotten more footage, but I was moving shy with the camera. I didn't want to pull out the camera and put it in people's faces. So that's the reason why I didn't get more footage. I do apologize for that. Hopefully there's another Rasta party soon and I can go to more Rasta parties, you know what I mean? Because I'm a Rasta man. I will not live for no capture land. See? Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out here. About to take a shower right now and have my lunch, Thumbs up, give me a like. Yeah, so I said I wasn't gonna DM girls no more. I guess I lied. I'm a liar. Because I'm DMing 2 new girls on Instagram right now. To be honest, Yeah. Ooh, show a bit. Ooh. It's a crescent moon tonight. Can you see the moon? It's a crescent moon tonight. Let me go over there. Let me go around there so I'll show you. When I get around there, I'll show you the moon. But right now, I'm on the road. I'm just going for a little night walk. My camera battery is kind of low. I should have changed the batteries. I have like 4 camera batteries. But I have this one. This one is the original one that came with the camera. And I have it in here for a while. For a while now. And I'm on the road just walking. Going for a little walk, stretching the legs, stretching the muscles out. Vlogger. Now guys is looking at the camera. But it is what it is. I'm a vlogger, bro. I'll be out on the streets. Yo, do you have a dream car? I was just looking at some cars just now, maybe the next one that I'm gonna buy. And here's some really nice cars. And let me know if you wanna live in a mansion someday. I was looking at some houses too. Cause you know, I'm thinking and growing rich. Yeah. I'm not trying to be poor, bro. I'm trying to be rich and live the life. So I was just looking at some houses and a car. $100,000 cars. Probably $100 and something odd $1,000 car. Yeah, where's the moon? I want to show you the crescent moon, but I can't see it here. The moon was in that direction. I can't see the moon, but it's a crescent moon out tonight. It's a nice night. The time is now. What time is it? The time is about 8:40. I'm going to say 8:40. I could be wrong. 8:21. I was wrong. Time is 8:21. You dig? Oh, that's something now. What, I read something there, blink. You see that I read something there? That's crazy. What's that? So I'm out here with the camera. As I said, the camera probably gonna die on me. It's two bars on it. But this camera is this battery. The battery that's in the camera. I'm also sitting on some rocks right now. Right at this nice cafe here. Yeah. There's a lot of white people come here all the time. I'm sitting on the rock. I'm just chilling. The insurance company is right there. I don't know if you can see. Zoom. Insurance company, they're right over there. I'm just chilling on the rock, watching the cars go by. I'm gonna walk up to the end of the road like what I always do at night time. Yeah, I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling for a bit. I wanted to ask you if you have a dream car. Comment down below and let me know your dream car, the car that you're trying to own. And let me know whether or not you want to live in a mansion and what you like about mansions. Comment those two things down below in the comments. Please leave a comment. The more you comment, the more my content get pushed by YouTube. And please like the video too. When you like and you comment, my content get pushed by YouTube so that I can get recommended by more people. So if you want to see me blow up on YouTube, please comment. You heard me? That's an Audi, a nice Audi. Did you saw it? When you're out here, sit down out here, you see some nice cars, you might get inspired. You never know, you might get inspired, bro. I'm gonna walk up the road. Alright, I'm gonna play some music. Bro, there's a whole lot of nice cars in the Uptown Kingston area, you know. When you come outside, you might get inspired to work harder. You know what I mean? Work hard and own one of these Benz trucks or something. You never know. Range Rover or Audi truck. Ooh, that's a Benz truck. Just fast as I'm talking. It's a lot of luxury vehicles passing. It inspires you, you know, to work harder, bro. Yeah, to own one of them or something. Own a house or something. So that's why I like my walks. I like my night walks a lot. That's a Benz. That my one. An AMG. That's a Kia. Just past. Some nice cars passing. I can see the moon now over there, but people in the way, so I'm not gonna point the camera at them because maybe they're not trying to be recorded right now. And I'm not trying to be rude. See, the camera is cleaner than the last time because it was foggy. The lens wanted to be clean. The lens is good now. You know the Mini Coopers? Yeah. The little cars that are very expensive. There's a lot of them in Kingston. That's what I'm going by right here. A Mini Cooper. You're looking at that car probably like you're looking at $14 million, $15 million for a Mini Cooper. People buy them because they like them, I guess. But I don't like them. I don't think I'd spend so much money on a car. It's ugly. It's not that beautiful. A lot of people own them, and I know a lot of people who own them. Right here in the Uptown Kingston area can inspire you to want to own one of these luxury vehicles and a luxury home. Yeah. This is X, what do you call that? X6. Yeah, the new type passing by. You see some luxury vehicles when you're out here, bro. Inspires you to work harder, you know, to own one of them. Yo, I'm heading home now. I'm gonna go post the video, the time I went to a Rastaman's party. This was where it was being held over here. Oh, yeah, and I went to the party. Let me show you the moon. Let me see if I can see. Yeah, the moon is a crescent moon right now. Let's see if I can see. It's that way. Yeah, you can see it right there. Under the right there, you can see it. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. Today is Wednesday. I can't believe it's Wednesday already. The days are flying by so fast, you know. Right now I'm going to the hyperbolic time chamber right now, otherwise known as the gym. Today should be core day because today is Wednesday, so you should be working on your back, your abs, your hips, and all your core areas. But sometimes they be switching it up, you know. They be focusing way more on upper body than they need to. As they say, maybe my upper body needs to get stronger or whatever. But I don't know, so I don't know what I'm gonna do today at the gym, but I'm looking forward to it. Pumped and ready. In 4 minutes I'm gonna be late. It's gonna take me more than 4 minutes to get to the gym, probably like 8 minutes. So I'm gonna be 4 minutes late maybe. But it is what it is. So I'm off. Yeah, so that's it for me at the gym. It was amazing today, you know. What did I do? I did a whole lot of stuff. It was a full body workout just the same today, you know. And the first two exercises got me real good. They were like, no man, this is just a warm up. This is just a warm up. But those exercises were the hardest for you, you know. They're really the hardest. But I'm not worried about it, you know. We're out here, we're doing it. Yo, I haven't watched football in 4 years. Over 4 years now. I haven't watched no type of football. Look at this. Manchester City. Real Madrid versus Manchester City. Back in the day when I used to watch football every day, not every day, every week, Real Madrid was my team. Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo days. From Cristiano Ronaldo, I haven't really watched any football from those type of days. You know, and I'm loving this match right here tonight. It's extra time, 2-1. It's a good match. Hi, what's up, YouTube? So I'm out here to come get some mangoes real quick. My faves, I got 5 for 1,000, which is pretty nice. It's a good bargain to get 5 for 1,000. And they normally give me like 3 for 1,000, and that's crazy. They start treating me better because, you know, I'm their #1 customer, mango customer, I guess. And today after I was watching the match, I was having a great day today, bro. And all of a sudden I just felt drained for some reason. And I know what's causing that. You know what I mean? I feel like somebody is using the mind, like, it's not scientific, but like I feel like somebody had drained me energy. Then I send them bad energy, them negative vibes in my direction, you know? Yeah. That causes a drain, bro. So careful of the energy drainer. So I came to get some mangoes. Just one mango a day can keep the dirty heart people away. You understand? I don't know where that's coming from, that negative energy. I feel. I don't know where it's coming from. But I felt drained today for some reason. I was having a good day. I went to the gym. I came back and had my lunch. Then I was watching the game. My team that I want to win, Real Madrid. Back in the day, I used to support Real Madrid. I'm not a football fan no more because it's a waste of time now, in my opinion. Watching football and all of that is a waste of time, to be honest, bro. It's not making you rich. My goal is to get stupid rich in life. Like, watching football doesn't assist with that. So it's a waste of time, okay? Yeah. So I don't really watch football no more. But I wanted to watch the Champions League semi-final, say. Second leg. I wanted to see if Real Madrid. And I'm gonna watch the finals too. It's gonna be a good game. But I'm not a football supporter. You heard me? Yeah, I'm gonna go home now and eat my mango. Give it a first bite test when I reach home, okay? Please leave a like, comment, subscribe.